The Rainy Summer by Alice Meynell. There's much afoot in heaven and earth this year. The winds hunt up the sun, hunt up the moon, trouble the dubious dawn, hasten the drear height of a threatening noon. No breath of boughs, no breath of leaves, of fronds may linger or grow warm. The trees are loud, the forest rooted tosses in her bonds and strains against the cloud. No sense may pause within the garden fold. The rifled flowers are cold as ocean shells. Bees, humming in the storm, carry their cold wild honey to cold cells.